In this video I will tell you how to set up Python. Welcome to Frami. I am Yash, and from today the sessions of a new journey will start, which is Python programming. As you will know in the previous video, what is the role of Python? There are multiple methods to set up Python, like by using VS Code, Open Websites, or Replit, and many more. But the problem is that only basic Python code is only used on the Open website. Let's drive and watch. You have to open any website browser and search, run Python. Here you have given multiple links. You have to open any link, as if we are opening the first website. Here's our already automated coded it. We simply by running, you can see whether you have run. Now let us look at the next website, which is Replit. According to me, Replit is the best website for coding. Simplify your search and you will find the first website. After opening it, just wait a second, you will get such a panel. Now you have to log in. You can log in by any method. After logging in, you will get a panel like this. You simply have to write your name and give some information. After all this is completed, the panel will be like this. Now you have to create a Python per click. After clicking, you can write any random name, like I write new.py because Python can only save file or folder in the form of .py. Now you can write any code in Python. You can control as per your comfort. Now I have written the code, like print welcome to Frami, and I have run it. Boom, to see if it has run. So, in Replit, you can easily do multiple tasks, like you can write notes on the side, you can also apply extensions. Now that's all, this video ends. So good luck on your programming journey. Thank you for watching.